Alright, I'm making another attempt. I don't know if the sound's working on this. We had a successful little trip to the store. Everyone loves her because she's just so calm. Are you getting tired, Gaia? I was thinking maybe we could go to, there's a really cool bird store I want to check out. But she's looking a little sleepy. You want to go to the bird store or you want to go home? Do you want to go home? You want to go home? That sounded like, ow. She likes to chew on my eyelashes. Don't eat my makeups. That's not good for you. Don't worry, they probably tested it on animals. Say bye-bye.